In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock QuickBooks previous year. If you manage your business finances with QuickBooks Online, ensuring your previous year data is secure and protected from any accidental changes is essential. This quick guide will walk you through the steps to successfully lock your QuickBooks previous year, providing peace of mind that your financials are safely archived. First things first, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, you'll want to head over to the Settings menu. This is your control center for all QuickBooks customizations. You'll typically find the Settings icon, which resembles a gear, in the upper right section of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. You'll be taken to a comprehensive overview where you can adjust various account preferences. Next, look for the Advanced tab along the left side of the screen and click on it. This area includes settings not only important, but crucial to the security of your financial data. As you scroll through this section, locate the option labeled Close the Books. Clicking this option will bring you to the settings required to lock your previous year data, a feature designed to protect against unintended modifications. To activate this feature, you'll need to toggle the Close the Books option to the On position. Once you've turned it on, a field will appear where you can enter a closing date. Choose a date that signifies the end of your fiscal year. This step is vital as it prevents backdating transactions beyond this specified date, thereby helping maintain the accuracy of your previous year records. If you want to add further security, select the option Allow Changes after viewing a warning and entering a password from the drop-down menu. This adds a protective layer, requiring any user who attempts to modify the closed books to first enter a password. Now simply create a secure password, something memorable yet strong, and enter it in the Add a Password field. Don't forget to confirm your password for accuracy. Finally, with all settings configured, click on Save to lock in these changes. This final step activates the lock, ensuring that your previous year's financial information remains intact and unaltered, unless authorized by someone with the password. And there you have it. You've successfully locked your QuickBooks previous year. By following these steps, you've taken an important measure in safeguarding your financial data, allowing you to focus on other crucial aspects of your business with confidence. Thank you for watching. And remember that locking your financial data is not just a step towards security, it's a commitment to the ongoing accuracy and reliability of your business records. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.